There's a few things that I know about the state of Kentucky. There's big deer there and great customers. Got a great customers, Abyss Gray F150 Covert, just finished up. He's coming down to see us tomorrow to pick it up. So excited to meet him and show him his beautiful Covert. Let's go. 2020 Akins Ford F150 Abyss Gray. Again, a great customer. This gentleman's been very great to deal with, very patient in the process. We did some custom paint for him, and definitely worth the wait. So I know he's gonna be proud to see this in totality, all completed. So up front, obviously the XLT, the front grille, the main two big bars is magnetic gray, so is this, and for some reason, I have no idea why it comes from that color from the factory. So got rid of that, did the Abyss Gray on your main two bars, and did black on your top and bottom small bars to eliminate the busyness of the front end. And of course, those custom emblems are a game changer, especially on the Abyss Gray. Looks so clean, and Morimoto headlights really set it off. Without the Morimotos, it wouldn't be a complete package in our opinion. So the Morimotos, visibility, safety, and killer looks greatly improved. Got the fog lights as well, so you got that nice white pure lighting. And the Abyss Gray got a little bit of sunlight. There's a lot of metallic flake in that Abyss. There you go, right there. You see that? Just a beautiful color. Has some blues in it as well, but it's a predominantly like a gray color. So I love this color package as a whole. So we are leveled on 33.5. So 33.5 Toyo Open Country AT3. That AT3 tire has been so popular for us because of how good it looks, being a little bit more aggressive now with the sidewall pattern and your tread pattern. And then we did a Ready Lift 2¼ inch level kit, hockey puck style aluminum spacer, great integrity and quality. We got Fuel Blitz wheels, 20x9. We're plus 20 on the offset, so we're definitely pushed in more. And 305, 55, 20. So again, 33.5 by 12.5 wide. This is a great stance and setup, so we're not sticking out. He did not want it to be sticking out too much, and I know that this is going to be a perfect setup for him. You may stick out a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch, but just a perfect setup. And look how more substantial and wide that this wheel and tire combo gets you. So it's not aggressive on the mild to wild scale. It's definitely mild, but you got a safer, more stable foundation. That I drove this truck just now, as I do all of our customer and lot builds, just for integrity and make sure it's all there, and it's all there. I love this truck, no doubt, y'all. Rides better than it does from the stock factory form as far as your wheel and tire setup. You're 275 on the width, predominantly on the factory wheel and tire combos, and it's got a lot more body roll to it. It's not as stable, it doesn't drive as good. So we love our Coverts because it brings value from an aesthetic standpoint and a performance standpoint. We took away the F150 badging, the chrome, and did the all black. That looks phenomenal. Keeping the theme going. We got wheel well liners in the rear to really clean those lines up. And then I love this tailgate. Look at this. So custom emblems, of course, and then the inlay F150. That's a great touch. We did tailgate assist, nice and clean, smooth. Here's a good look at the stance from the back. Give you a good side shot. Again, now the concrete does go downhill from right to left, so it may not appear perfectly level, but it is a perfectly leveled stance with a great wheel and tire combo. Really made this Abyss Gray pop even more, eliminating all the chrome. There is no more chrome on the vehicle at all, so I think this is a phenomenal truck. Probably one of the nicest Abyss Grays we've done. We've done some really nice ones in our Covert package, but I love this setup. It's not overdone as far as stance. You've got better traction, better stability, better looks, obviously. You got the badging front and rear. That F-150 on the tailgate is a perfect addition to complement the badging and the emblem out back. And then your side badges, Morimotos, and the grill combo really cap it off. We're gonna hopefully get his reaction when he sees this truck coming down to purchase it from us. Ron Marsh, he rode with Ron, so Always great to deal with Ron, and it's been a great process and a beautiful truck. Congrats, man.